everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charmaine Barnaby. I am a certified public accountant and I am the owner of CB Financial Limited, located here in Abaco, Bahamas. Now, today's video is a little different for me today because in my videos and in my content, I like to share with business owners how to understand the fundamentals of money. Because I believe if you understand the basic fundamentals of finance and of making money, then it should be easier for you to make extra money in your business, or it should be easier for you to solve certain financial problems that you may have in the business. But today, I'm going to talk specifically to accountants in business. Whether you're a CPA, a bookkeeper, or an accountant, and you have your own business that you make a living off of. And I want to talk to you about how to price your services, even if you're just starting out. Now, just to give you some background of myself, I've been in business for almost 11 years now, but I've been in the accounting profession for more than 19 years. Throughout these years, I've had a lot of clients, I've seen a lot of problems, but also I've had my own share of problems in my own business, which I want to share some of the wisdom that I've learned over the years with you. And I hope it will help you in your business to avoid certain mistakes that I've made and make the right decisions that will help you build a thriving accounting practice for yourself. Now, when it comes to starting out for the first time and pricing your services for the first time, the first inclination that we have is to start off with a low price because we feel that starting with a low price is the only way to get the customer in the door. And starting off with a low price indeed attracts customers. And in some cases, a low price attracts customers more quickly. But I'm going to share with you why doing this in your accounting business is not a good idea. And I'll also share with you the better alternative on how to price your services if you're first starting out in the marketplace. Now, the reason why pricing at a lower rate or at a low rate just to get the customer is a bad idea. It's a bad idea because it ends up being a lose-lose situation for you and the customer. Why? Because what's going to happen is because that customer hired you because you're the cheaper option, what will happen is as time goes on and you work with this customer more and more, what's going to happen is you will eventually need to increase your price. You will have to get your price up to market value or get it up to the value that you have gained for yourself. But because that customer or those customers are already used to getting a service from you at a cheap rate, it will be very difficult to go up on your fees with them. Because once you do, the customer, they will give you pushback. It may not be a good situation for both of you because they already have that expectation that they can get value from you at a cheap price. And when this happens, it ends up being a lose lose situation for everybody because eventually you will build up resentment for that client. Because you feel that your value is one thing and you're not being paid your value, you're either going to leave that customer or not work with that client anymore, or you're going to end up not wanting to give them a good service. So, really, starting off with a low price just doesn't help anybody. I like to refer to someone who said he said nobody wins when you have to devalue your price just to get the customer. So what do you do instead if you're just starting out? My advice is to start at least a little above market value. So let's say the going rate in your community or wherever you are, let's say the going rate for bookkeeping services is $500 a month. My suggestion is to go above 500, let's say 550 or $600. Or let's say the going rate for filing taxes is $300. I would suggest to go to 350 or $400. Don't go below the 300. Don't go to $200 just to get the customer. On the bookkeeping example, don't go below the 500. Don't go to $400 just to get the customer. My advice is to always go above the going market value. Why? Because it sets a better expectation from the customer. They're going to expect good value from you. you will be able to deliver the good value, and on top of that, it will attract better clients. It won't attract clients who are the price buyers. It won't attract cheap clients who wants you just because you have a cheap price. So pricing yourself well and pricing your services well is a win-win for you and the customer. The customer gets what they want, that they get what they're looking for, and you get what you want, and you get the pricing, and you're able to make the money that you want to make. So I hope this was helpful for you. I am going to drop more videos about for accountants in business, about pricing, also about client selection, how to choose the best customers for your business, how to market your business more effectively, and even how to build up your skills to help you demand the high price that you want to charge. So, thanks so much for watching. Feel free to click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. So, thanks again, and I will see you next time. Bye.